So if you're having trouble matching foundation to your skin tone, I have some great tips for you on how to find the right color and the right formula. My first tip, test multiple shades, because not one size fits all. The easiest and simplest way to test foundation on your skin is to dip a Q-tip into each shade that you think will be a close match, and then lightly run it down the lower portion of your cheek right to the jawline. The shade that practically disappears into your natural skin tone is the one that you should go with. And it'll be easy to see that with the wrong shades compared to the right ones, because the wrong choices will obviously be too dark or too light. Many people test foundation on their hands or the back of their wrists, which always kind of confuses me because hands are a completely different skin texture and color from your face. So holding your hand up to your bare, makeup-free face is the simplest way to test and understand that they have different tones. My second tip, coverage and ingredients are key. Texture and formula are two big things to pay attention to when you're matching your foundation to your skin tone. For example, A, do you have dry skin and need a moisturizing foundation? B, do you have oily skin and want to make sure you're using an oil-free product? C, do you have allergies to certain ingredients and want to make sure that you don't have a reaction or breakout? D, do you want light coverage or a full coverage foundation? These are all questions you need to ask yourself when shopping for the perfect shade and formula to ensure that you make the very best decision. Usually, a knowledgeable staffer at a beauty counter can send you in the right direction. And my last tip, it's all about application. Using the right tools is imperative to have flawless foundation and a finish that's going to last all day long. When applying your newly chosen shade and formula of foundation, you want to make sure that you're using the right tools. Foundation brushes and beauty blender sponges are the top most utilized products when applying makeup to the skin because they blend well and are the most sanitary when cleaned properly. Using your fingers to apply makeup can spread oil and dirt, and that usually causes breakouts in your skin, while brushes apply makeup evenly. You've probably been told this before, but I'm just going to remind you, clean your makeup brushes at least twice a week so you can keep those germs out and your skin clear and beautiful.